Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Story of an Artist on the piano. This beautiful and heartfelt song is surprisingly approachable for pianists of all levels. We will focus on the fundamental elements, starting with the key of C major. The main harmonic movement revolves around just two primary chords, C and D minor. Understanding these basic building blocks is your first step to bringing this iconic tune to life on your instrument. For the left hand, simplicity is key to creating a solid foundation. You will primarily be playing single bass notes to support the melody. When the song calls for a C chord, simply press down on a C note. For the D minor chord, shift your hand to play a D note. Focus on keeping a consistent, even rhythm, allowing your left hand to be the steady anchor for the entire piece. This provides a clear harmonic structure. Now, let's turn our attention to the right hand, where the song's memorable melody resides. The melody frequently uses notes found within the C and D minor chords, making it intuitive to play once you grasp the harmony. Start by practicing the melodic phrases at a very slow pace, ensuring precise finger placement and a light touch. Aim for a smooth, connected sound between notes, allowing the melody to sing beautifully over your left hand's accompaniment. This creates the song's emotional depth. To truly capture the essence of Story of an Artist, consider the tempo. Daniel Johnston's original recording typically moves at approximately 106 beats per minute. However, when you are learning, begin at a much slower pace, perhaps around 60 beats per minute. This allows you to build muscle memory and accuracy. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Remember, consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes each day, will significantly improve your playing and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.